Living in Clearwater, you know that your home is constantly exposed to unpredictable weather, including tropical storms, hurricanes, and heavy rains. As a homeowner, it's crucial to ensure that your house is well protected from these natural elements. One of the best ways to safeguard your home is by upgrading to Impact Windows. Impact windows are specifically designed to resist high winds, flying debris, and storm damage, ideal for Clearwater's climate. If you're unsure whether it's time to make the switch, here are the top signs that indicate you may need to upgrade to Impact Windows for your home. Frequent storm damage or vulnerability to hurricanes. Clearwater residents are no strangers to storm seasons, and homes in the area are frequently at risk for wind damage and flying debris during hurricanes and tropical storms. If you've noticed that your existing windows have been damaged or are vulnerable to storm conditions, it's a clear sign that you should consider upgrading to impact-resistant windows. Impact windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme conditions, including winds that reach hurricane force. They are made with laminated glass and a strong frame to prevent breakage from flying debris, such as tree branches or shingles. Unlike regular windows, impact windows are tested to meet strict storm protection standards and provide a higher level of defense against storm-related damage. Visible cracks or chips in your current windows. If you have noticed any cracks, chips, or other visible damage to your windows, it could be time for an upgrade. Even minor damage in regular windows can lead to significant issues down the road, such as air leaks and water intrusion. Impact windows are designed to handle impacts without shattering or breaking. Their laminated glass construction holds the glass together even if it's struck, preventing the glass from breaking into dangerous shards. This feature not only improves security and storm protection but also ensures the longevity of your windows by protecting them from further damage. Rising energy bills. Energy efficiency is a major consideration for homeowners, especially in a climate like Clearwater, where air conditioning is frequently used during hot and humid months. If you've noticed that your energy bills are rising, it might be due to gaps or inefficiencies in your current windows. Regular windows can allow air to leak in or out, leading to a significant loss of cool air in the summer and heated air in the winter. Impact windows, however, are built with energy-efficient features, such as double glazing and low-E glass coatings, which reduce heat transfer. By upgrading to impact windows, you can enjoy better insulation, reducing the workload on your HVAC system and saving on energy costs. Noisy neighbors or street traffic disturbing your peace. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a major street in Clearwater, you may find that outside noise is becoming a nuisance, especially if your current windows aren't effective at blocking sound. Whether it's traffic, construction, or neighborhood activities, the constant noise can disturb your peace and comfort. Impact windows offer soundproofing benefits due to their thick, laminated glass, which can reduce the amount of noise entering your home. This added sound insulation ensures that your living spaces remain quiet and peaceful, even if you live near noisy areas. If outside noise is becoming a regular disruption in your home, impact windows are a great upgrade to improve your sound privacy and comfort. Concerns about home security. Home security is another important factor when considering an upgrade to Impact Windows. Standard windows, especially older models, are easy targets for burglars who can break the glass and gain access to your home. If you're worried about the safety of your property, Impact windows are an excellent choice. Impact windows are much harder to break than standard windows, thanks to their laminated glass and strong frame. Even if a burglar attempts to break the window, the glass will stay intact, making it much harder for an intruder to gain entry. This added security gives homeowners peace of mind knowing that their windows are resistant to break-ins and accidents. Windows are outdated or incompatible with modern features. If your current windows are outdated, they may lack the modern features needed to improve your home's overall performance. Windows that are old or poorly constructed may have issues such as poor insulation, difficult operation, or damaged seals. This can lead to air drafts, water leaks, and difficulty opening or closing windows. Upgrading to Impact Windows allows you to enjoy not only superior protection but also modern, easy-to-operate features. Impact windows are often equipped with easy glide mechanisms for smooth operation, better seals, and enhanced energy efficiency. If your windows are outdated, replacing them with impact-resistant windows is a wise choice that improves your home's overall performance and aesthetics. You're planning to sell your home. If you're considering selling your home in the near future, upgrading to Impact Windows can significantly increase its market value and appeal. Buyers are always looking for homes that provide enhanced safety, energy efficiency, and storm protection, especially in areas prone to extreme weather like Clearwater. By installing Impact Windows, you're adding a desirable feature that sets your home apart from others on the market. It's a smart investment that can give your home an edge in a competitive market, ensuring that it appeals to potential buyers and can even increase its resale value. Conclusion: upgrade to Impact Windows for better protection and comfort. If any of the signs above apply to your current windows, upgrading to Impact Windows is a wise decision for homeowners in Clearwater. Not only will Impact Windows provide superior protection against severe weather, but they will also enhance your energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Whether you're concerned about storm damage, rising energy bills, or outside noise, Impact Windows offer a comprehensive solution that provides lasting benefits for both safety and comfort. By upgrading to Impact Windows, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is better protected against the elements while also improving its overall value and efficiency. If you're ready to invest in the future of your home, consider Impact Windows as the upgrade that will benefit you for years to come.